This is the parallel and perpendicular lines worksheet. This is an assignment we did in class, but if you were absent or you had a lot of trouble with it for some reason, I'm making this video to help you out. So the directions say, complete the following. Write the letter of the line that has a parallel slope and a perpendicular slope, okay, to the given line 1 through 18. On this video, we're going to do the odd numbered questions. All right, so what we've learned about parallel lines, they have the same slope. So if you need to find a line parallel to y equals 2x minus 3, you need to find another equation that has an m value of 2. Okay, what is it that's different for parallel lines? They have to have a different y-intercept. So they have the same m, but a different b. So notice on all these odd numbered questions, I already highlighted the m number, the slope. The slope of number 1 is 2. I need to scroll down through my answer choices and find another one that has a slope of 2. You see, that one's -4, that one's 2/3, and so on. I'm going to go through and highlight, just like I did over here, I'm going to highlight the slopes in all my answer choices. -4, 2/3, -3, -1/4. See, this says -2, but I need a slope of +2, so this one doesn't work. -1/3, 1/2, -4/3, 4. Remember, the slope is the number that's with my x, and that's only when y is already by itself, and it is in all these answer choices. Here, I have a slope of 2. So my m is the same, my m is 2 for both of these. Is my b value different? It is different. So look, there's the answer for number 1. It's K. All right. I'm going to go ahead and finish highlighting all my slopes on my answer choices. Okay, number 3. I need a slope of -1/2. All right, -1/2, that's +1/2. I need -1/2. It is right here at the bottom. Y equals -12x minus 3. So I have the same m, but a different b. So number 3 is T. Number 5, 4x plus 2. I need to find an answer choice with a slope of 4. That's -4, not close enough. That's it right there. Y equals 4x minus 3. Has a different b value, but the same m. So number 5 is I. Number 7, -1/4. That's -1/4 right there. D. Number 9, 2/3. I'm looking through. There's my 2/3 x. Now what's my b value here? It's actually an invisible 0. So I have a b value of 0, a b value of -4. So my b values are different. They need to be different. And my slope is the same. So b is the answer to this one. Number 11, y equals 1/4 x plus 3. I need to look for 1/4 for my m. That's a -1/4. It doesn't count. There is 1/4. And notice the b value is different. Same m, different b. Number 13, y equals 1/2 x minus 3. I need to find another one that has a half right here with a different b number besides -3. If I look over here, I have y equals 1/2 x plus 1. That's a different b, but the same m. So it is G. 15, y equals -3/2x plus 5. I'm looking for a slope of -3/2. No, 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 no. There it is, -3/2. And notice the b value is different on both of those. So number 15 is L. Number 17, y equals -4/3 x plus 2. I'm looking for -4/3 as my slope. -4/3, there it is. And notice this has plus 2 down here, and that has -2. So they are different b values. That's H. That's all there is to finding parallel lines, okay? Now to find perpendicular lines, there's a little bit more involved. We need to find the opposite reciprocal. What that means in plain language is you flip it upside down. Literally, you flip it upside down. Like if it's -1/3, it'll be 3/1. And then you change the sign. So flip and change. Flip and change. Now, you can't flip a fraction if there's only one number. So what I encourage you to do is go through here, all these odd ones we're doing together. If there's not a bottom number, automatically put a 1. So that's 4 over 1. All the other ones are already two numbers, fractions. On the evens, when you do them on your own, put a 1 for the bottom number, like number 8. -2 is -2 over 1. Okay? We're going to do the odds together again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write over here what slope I'm really looking for. I'm going to, oh, here's number 1. I need to put a 1 on the bottom of that. So 2 over 1 flips to become 1 over 2. But I also change it from positive to negative. So I'm looking for a slope of -1/2. Go through here real quick. There's positive 1/2. I need -1/2. Down here at the bottom, choice T, -1/2. All right. Here, number 3, that 1/2 becomes 2 over 1. And that negative becomes positive. So it's positive 2 over 1. Now we can actually reduce that. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So I'm really looking for a slope of 2. I go down here, that's -2, it doesn't count. Right here, choice K, I have a slope of 2. All right, number 5, 4 over 1, and I flip it over to 1 over 4, and I change it from positive to negative. So I'm looking for -1/4, and there it is, choice D. Number 7, -1/4 becomes positive 4 over 1, and I reduce that to 4. So I'm looking for a slope of 4, and there it is, 4x minus 3. There's my slope of 4, I. Number 9, 2/3 changes to 3 over 2. The original was positive, the new one becomes negative. So I have -3 over 2, and I'm looking through, and here it is right here, letter L. Number 11, 1/4 becomes 4 over 1. I change it to negative, I reduce it to -4. -4, there it is, choice A. 13, 1/2 becomes -2 over 1, which I reduce to -2. -2, right here, there it is. And 2 more will be done. -3/2 becomes positive 2/3. And where is positive 2/3? There it is, choice B. Last one, -4 over 3 becomes positive 3 over 4. And let's look for it. That's negative, that doesn't count. There's positive 3 over 4, choice M. So, I hope this helped. Do the evens on your own and come in for tutoring if you have more questions.